Okay, hey, good morning, guys. How are y'all?
Hello, Richard.
Well, it's morning for me. It's evening for y'all.
Yeah.
So, thanks for reaching out. How can we help you over here at Gas Monkey? What's going on? What do you need?
Yeah, we produce our mail room is built to professional. We're from Spain. It's our 5th anniversary, and we are looking for a full classic car to celebrate after this COVID time. Something like this one, something like this.
Yeah, something like this.
Oh, okay. A black 67 Mustang.
Definitely.
The fastback one.
The fastback. Okay. That's going to be a hard car to find, but what are you going to use it for? What's the purpose of the car?
That's gonna come. It's gonna come with us all the time.
Okay, so this is a brand car that you're going to have logoed up and take it to trade shows and conventions and show it off and things like that. Now tell me more about Beardburys. What kind of products do you make?
We are make treatments, we are make hair pomade, we are make fixation product, also color. Everything that you can find in the barber shop.
So you got cool stuff for my hair?
Oh,
Yeah, of course.
Because you know, I'm like known for my outstanding hair. Do you have any rules in Spain on customizing? I think y'all are pretty strict. I have to keep it mostly stock, don't I?
Yes,
Yeah.
I think for this is not like USA.
Okay. Well, then you can send me all that information while I get going, and I'll try to find a car. I'll send you kind of a build sheet of what I think it needs to be, and then we'll go at it from there. So if you guys are the biggest producers in Spain of hair product, let's get me some of that stuff, and I'll check that out while I'm building your car.
Yeah, we also can send you some product in order that you test.
Okay, cool. All right, thank you. So it looks like I'm getting into the hair product business. We're going to do a collab with Beardburys over in Spain. And that's product that's not only sold over there, but it's sold in the US and it's sold in about 30 other countries. So pretty big deal for Gas Monkey. And problem is they want a black 67 Mustang fastback, which is going to be almost impossible to find, except for I watched Coffee Walk the other day.
Okay, we're lost. Found it. How did this get all the way out here? We rescued a killer 67 Raven Black Mustang Fastback, which is crazy rare. I don't know the production numbers right now, but you know I'm going to Kevin Marty and find them and tell you about that later. So
now I got to go to Dennis and tell him that I need the car. And he's going to charge me a lot, like a whole lot. And that's going to suck. But that's how I make money these days. All right. Damn, Phipps, I said take it apart and take a look at it, but you took it apart.
Well,
where are you?
Over here. Kind of needed to be.
All right. Hey, don't hurt yourself, man. Damn sure don't hurt me.
Well, I don't like those springs.
Well, you've been messing with them your whole life. You should be used to it.
That's why I'm scared of them.
All right, so we got to get this to Spain, like I said before, and I need a good, clean bill of health, and Mustang parts are generally cheap. So if there's anything questionable, we want to replace it.
Well, we've gone through the rear end, replaced the bearings. The front end was all dry rotted, all the everything.
Yeah, but that whole front end kit's like $600 or $700.
Yeah, and these springs, we got new springs because they had those those spring supporters, those little aluminum things. And I just want whoever gets it over there, when he shows his buddies or his mechanic raises it up.
He says he's going to keep it. This is about
well, then I want it to last 30 years.
So the deal is I made a deal with these guys over in Spain. It's called Beardburys, and it's all kinds of hair products and hair trimmers and shampoos and pomades and all kinds of stuff. So this is going to be like the launch vehicle for it. So we're going to end up dressing it up a little bit. My problem is in Spain, we can't do anything that's not factory. You can't go changing the ride heights and changing all the horsepower and getting all crazy. Right. So anyways, I'm checking into the factory option for power steering. Shouldn't be a problem. I'd like to put that on there. Other than that, this is a black on black, 4-speed, 390S code GT, super rare. And we were super lucky to find it from Dennis because this was the exact car I was looking for. And I thought we were gonna have to build one. And this car's basically done, just needs to be freshened up. So everything from the front bumper bolts to the back bumper bolts, change all the fluids, super good tune-up, rebuild the carb, everything in the world, all the suspension components replaced with factory, and let's get her down on the road. We can put some custom wheels on it. We can't just go crazy with the sizing or the offsets.
Well, it's got those on it.
No, those suck.
Yeah.
Yeah, those suck like really badly.
Those are those bullet-looking ones, right?
Yeah, but this isn't a bullet car.
Same year, isn't it?
It is, but this is black. C-Fips, you got to keep up with things.
I do.
All right, anyways, those wheels are overdone. I want to pick out something that's a little bit cooler. And let's see. Rear springs, exhaust if we need it, shocks if we need it, whatever it needs.
But yeah, like I said, I want it to, whenever it gets over there, somebody goes up in the air with it.
Well, this isn't just a normal car deal. This is also a business deal because they're going to be branding all their trimmers.
They're not going to have a problem.
That's what I mean. All the trimmers and hair products and everything else, not only in Spain, but hopefully all over the EU and into the Middle East and stuff. It's going to all be wearing Gas Monkey stuff. I might even be able to get them some, throw some free product for that wig of yours there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, if I send it over there to them, will they send it back already?
It's pretty much like a rat's nest. All right, you know what I need? Make it happen. I need to get this thing done because we're going to physically dress it up on the outside with some decals. But other than that, if Spain's rules suck, then Spain's rules suck.
Well, we are. New clutch and everything. So.
All right, make it happen.
Going to.
So a few people have already seen on the interwebs that this car was over here in the shop and it belongs to me now. And of course, my friend Dennis found it. And I happened to call him up and said, Dennis, I'm looking for a black on black 67 or 68 Mustang. And I need it to be a good car because it's going all the way over to Spain. And he goes, hey, guess what I just happened to have? So I was like, well, there you go. That's pretty perfect. So now it's here, and I just did a branding deal and a collab with Beardburys over in Spain. So the car is going to be part of the launch of the product in the first quarter of next year. I'm really stoked about it. They just came over here. We inked the deal on the vehicle, and then we also inked a deal on the collab. So, you know, overseas, we're gonna have hair products and beard trimmers and hair trimmers and all kinds of pomades and shampoos and all that kind of cool stuff. They're in quite a few countries over there also, not just Spain. So hopefully, not only is it a good business decision for us to buy the car, make the car, and sell the car over to Spain, but it's also a good deal to be in a collab with Beardburys. Pretty cool people. I'm pretty stoked about it. And they're making me my own hair product. Maybe I need to open it up here in America and start selling some of the stuff that goes, woo! I think you get a woo in a can. Put it on your head.